I'm going to make some beetroot salad. So first of all, I need to have the dressing for the salad. So I need to extract some lime juice from here, from a lime. Just extract some lime juice. So this is going to be part of the dressing for the beetroot salad. So we have our lime here with lots of juice. You can use a lemon if you want, but I've chosen to use the lime. Then we pour this liquid, we pour it into the bottle here. We pour it into the bottle. So we have our lime juice there. Next, we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I have some olive oil in here. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons. This is for our salad dressing, for the beetroot salad. So we need 2 tablespoons approximately. It goes into the bottle. 2 tablespoons. Yeah, that's our part of our salad dressing. Then we also need to put some vinegar. So I have some balsamic vinegar here, and I'm also going to add this is balsamic vinegar. I'm going to add like 2 tablespoons as well. Oh, you can add 1 or 2. So we have balsamic vinegar. This is the dressing for the beetroot salad. You can also add some spices of your choice. So you can add black pepper or any other spice. But today I'm just having these 3. So you put the lid on and you just shake. So this is going to be just shake it. Shake the bottle. So it goes on standby. This is our salad dressing. Goes on standby. Now the time has come to prepare the greens for our salad, for our beetroot salad. So I have some parsley leaves here. They are really fresh and very tender, just fresh from the garden. And see, they can even break easily. So these are our parsley leaves. So we just want to decorate our salad, our beetroot salad, with the leaves. So what we do, just chop the leaves, chop them. These are just for decorating the salad. Chop the leaves. They're really tender and really brittle. So those are our parsley leaves. The reason why I'm wearing gloves is because I'm going to be holding some beetroot. So this is parsley there, over there. And we also need just to add a bit of cucumber to the salad. So I just use half a cucumber. I'm going to use half a cucumber just to chop into chunks. It has been resting in some salt water. If you want, you can peel it, but since it's really tender, I'm just going to chop some little chunks of cucumber to join our salad, our beet salad. So this is our cucumber. So this is our cucumber. You might wonder what's coming next. Next in line is we are going to have half of this incredible fruit for the beet salad. So we are going to have the avocado pear. So this is another ingredient which is going to be in our salad. Oh, so we are going to have the avocado pear. So what we do is we just need to peel the avocado pear. Let's peel it and chop it into some cubes, some small chunks. This is an avocado pear which is ripe and really looking delicious. So avocado pear goes very well with the beets, with beetroot. So just do the skin. You can use the fingers as well. So that's our avocado pear. We are going to have the avocado pear in the platter already. Let's put it in the platter. So our avocado pear is there. Then we chop it into some cubes. There goes our avocado pear. And now, what we've all been waiting for. We are now going to have our beetroot. We are now going to have our beetroot. I have 2 beetroots here with me. So what we are going to do is we are going to peel the beetroot. So what you do is you just chop the stalks off. Chop the stalks off. There you go. Chop the other one off. There you go. You can use a peeler or you can use the knife just to peel the skin off. So we are going to peel the skin off of our beetroot. Just peel the skin off. It gives this color, this red color. So that's why I had to wear some gloves. So look at that beautiful color, magenta, a beautiful magenta color. Do the other one. This is a beetroot salad. Beets are really rich in minerals and vitamins, and having them in a salad is really awesome. They taste really good with the proper dressing and the proper companionship. The beetroot salad is really unbeatable. It is really yummy. So now we have our beets here. We are going to slice them into reasonable chunks. So those are our bits in that plate there. So next thing is to slice them into reasonable chunks. We're going to slice them into reasonable chunks. So we need to slice them now into reasonable chunks, and then we are ready to include them in the salad. So beetroot is really delicious in salads. Now let's have some slicing. Now we are doing the slicing. We just have to have some thin circles. Look at that. We have some thin circles. This will enable us to come up with some reasonable chunks for our salad. Look at that, beautiful beetroot. So we start with some thin chunks, so it will be easy to chop them into reasonable chunks. Ready to join our other ingredients. We are going to have some tomato. We're going to have some avocado pear, some cucumber. So what we do is easy. You just try to have quarters as well. Let's do it in quarters. Look at that. So we just have some quarters. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel. Now we have collected our beetroot chunks. They are now ready to join our salad. So here we go now. We join our beetroot chunks with the avocado. Look at that. Look at that. We join them together. Look at that. Wow, that's amazing. So our beetroot is in now. What's next now? Look at the color. Awesome. So now, so now our beetroot and avocado pear, they are now lying together in here. Look at that. So to improve the color, what we are going to do is we have a little bit of these are a tomato, and the seeds have been removed, and just the fresh part of the tomato. So we can sprinkle the fresh part of the tomato into it goes among the beetroot and the avocado pear. Look at that formidable color. Look at that. The story doesn't end here. We have also prepared a bit of cucumbers, so we also spread them in here. We spread the cucumbers in here, and this becomes a really wealthy a world beetroot salad. Wow, I love this. Look at that. Look at that. The world beetroot salad. You know, it has been joined by the cucumber and the avocado pear. Then, last but not least, to give everything a bright color, we just sprinkle some parsley. Just sprinkle this parsley to give another green color to our salad. Look at that. So this is complimentary. The parsley goes in. Wow. So what have we been waiting for again? We are waiting for the to spread around the dressing. So the dressing, you just shake it like this. There is lime, there is olive oil, there is balsamic vinegar, and if you want, you can add a bit of salt. So just sprinkle this all over like this. Sprinkle on you. This is the dressing, the ultimate thing. So please remember, guys, to subscribe to the channel. And once again, join me in Mary's Easy Recipe. Mary's Easy Recipe. And we enjoy together. So let me just give this a taste and just see how this is tasting. So we need to taste this. It tastes so yummy. I've picked the beetroot. It has just changed its color. I mean, its taste. It is tasting so yummy. This is beautiful. Let me give a bite to the avocado pear. This is beautiful. This is delicious. So delicious. So I hope you have really enjoyed this amazing, look at the color, this amazing salad, beetroot salad, really filled with vitamins and minerals. Wow. Thanks everybody for watching.